Hunter is proud to bring you the Pro HC controller with Hydrawise web-based software. The sturdy Pro HC is designed for contractors and built to last. It's Wi-Fi enabled with a touchscreen display and is offered in either 6, 12, or 24 station fixed outdoor and indoor models. The Pro HC is designed with large terminal strip, 2 sensor ports, a dedicated master valve output, and built-in milliamp sensor to help detect wiring problems. The master valve output is used to isolate the irrigation system when it's not in use. The large terminal strip allows for easy installation of solenoid wiring. Among the Pro HC's many attractive features is Hydrawise Predictive Watering, which adjusts watering based on forecast temperature, rainfall probability, wind, and humidity. Predictive watering provides maximum water savings while keeping your client's landscape healthy and beautiful. Add a simple-to-install flow meter and set up automatic notifications to alert you about broken pipes or sprinklers. The Pro HC is Wi-Fi enabled for easy connection to the internet from any location. This helps you to avoid costly on-site visits by making schedule changes from anywhere using your smartphone or desktop computer. The Hydrawise software integrates local weather data to make water-saving scheduling adjustments. Like all Hydrawise-ready controllers, it also allows for contractors to remote manage your landscape irrigation.
With the B-hyve Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Timer, you can fully program or adjust your watering manually at the control panel or with the easy-to-use app from your iOS or Android device. WeatherSense technology delivers the exact amount of water your plants need based on slope, soil type, and sun exposure, and connects to local weather data to automatically adjust to changes in the weather so you won't be watering in the rain.
Installing the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller is easy. After watching this video, you'll be up and running in about 15 minutes. Make sure you have Wi-Fi where you want to install the controller. Then gather up all the necessary tools. In the box, you'll find the smart controller, instructions, screws with drywall anchors, and the power adapter. Note that the controller is not weatherproof, so if you want to install it outdoors, you'll need a weather-resistant enclosure. You can pick one up at Rachio.com. Test all the sprinkler zones before taking down your old controller. It's a good idea to know any zones that may need repairs before proceeding. Unplug the old controller and take a look at the wiring. Take a picture so you can attach the wires to the correct zones in the Rachio 3. Now unhook everything and remove the old controller. There's a template for the screw positions on the last page of the installation guide. Make sure the wires can reach the drill icon and verify the bottom holes are level. Mark the center of each hole on the wall, then install the drywall anchors. Drill a hole for each anchor and gently tap them into place. Remove the magnetic faceplate to reveal the 3 mounting holes and the terminal block. Hang the controller. Then use the reference photo you took earlier to attach each zone wire to the appropriate terminal. Simply lift the lever and insert the wire. M is the master pump if you have one, and may have been labeled P on your old controller. The C terminals are all the same, you can use any of them. You're ready to power up. The light bar will flash. When you see the amber light, launch the Rachio app and connect the controller to your Wi-Fi network. Visit the app setup video to learn more about this process. A blue pulse across the whole bar means your Rachio 3 is online and ready for use. Now you can use the Rachio app to customize your zones, optimize your watering schedule, and so much more. If you need any help, simply tap the question mark in the app. Visit Rachio.com/support for tips, tricks, and techniques for making the most of your Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller.
The Hunter X-Core is a powerful residential irrigation controller packed with professional-grade features with an economical price point. With easy-to-configure control for up to 8 stations, including 3 programs, each with 4 start times, the X-Core is the best solution for residential applications. If water conservation is a concern, You can easily convert the X-Core to a smart controller with the SolarSync ET sensor. Simply install the sensor and the X-Core will automatically adjust irrigation run times based on locally measured weather. The SolarSync ET sensor integrates Hunter's popular rain-click and freeze-click sensors, which quickly shut down the irrigation system during rain and/or freezing conditions. All X-Core programs have these additional water-saving capabilities: programmable rain delay, cycle and soak, and seasonal adjustment with SolarSync. For added flexibility, the X-Core is compatible with Hunter remotes for quick, wireless activation of irrigation. In the event of power failures, the non-volatile memory retains current program data as well as date and time. Troubleshooting field wiring issues is easy with the Quick Check feature. Quick Check scans the station wiring and displays an error message when a short is detected on a particular station number. The X-Core is available with 2, 4, 6, or 8 stations in plastic indoor or outdoor wall mount models. Plus, its powerful 230-volt AC transformer has European and Australian connections for easy installation. The X-Core is backed by a 2-year factory warranty. For residential landscapes, the X-Core combines user-friendly operations with powerful features.
Upgrading your sprinkler timer is easier than it sounds. For most upgrades, the only tool you'll need is a screwdriver. First, take note of your old timer settings, including the start times, run times, and watering days for each zone. You'll use these later when you program the new timer. Next, unplug the power and label each sprinkler wire with a small piece of tape. Then, disconnect the wires. Remove the mounting screws and take the timer off the wall. Hang the new timer in its place and secure it using a second mounting screw. With the cover removed, connect each sprinkler wire to the same number zone. Connect the common wire to the common terminal. Finally, attach the power transformer and plug it into a nearby outlet. To make sure the timer is connected properly, activate each zone using the Water Now feature. Setting the SST is simple. Because you set this timer by zones, you control the irrigation system exactly the way it is laid out in your yard. Watering schedules can be fine-tuned for each lawn area and also works with drip systems. Turn the dial to the set clock position and use the up-down arrow keys to set the time. Turn the dial to the set date position. Press the left up-down arrows to set the year. Press the right up-down arrows to set the month and day. Turn the dial to select the desired zone. Press the left up-down arrow keys to set the start time. Press the right up-down arrow keys to set the run time or watering duration. Press the pink watering days buttons to select which days to water, or select odd days or even days. Press the blue watering times per day buttons to select the number of times per day to water. Repeat step 3 for remaining zones. Note, if more than one zone is scheduled to start at the same time, the controller will water the zones in sequence. Turn the dial to auto run. Turn the dial to select the desired zone. Repeatedly press either the 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times watering times per day button to cycle through the available predefined watering time offsets. Seasonal adjust can be used in wet or hot weather to ensure you're applying the right amount of water. Turn the dial to see